And real quick to follow up on the thing that we didn't get to do yesterday. Yes, there was a first day pop. Shares of Bumble closed up 63.5% on its first day of trading, giving Bumble a valuation of $13 billion, quoting CNBC. Bumble said in its S-1 filing that it generated $376.6 million of revenue in the first 9 months of 2020, with a net loss of $84.1 million. In that same time period, in 2019, it brought in revenue of $362.6 million and reported a net profit of $68.6 million. The company's main competitor is Match Group, which owns Hinge, Tinder, and several other dating competitors, and has a market cap of $45.5 billion, end quote. Of course, though, Match Group has revenue of $2.39 billion and is on track for annual profits in the $400 million range. So, yeah, basically, investors are still thirsty for new tech offerings that they think still have growth ahead of them.